Hello, good morning. Good morning, everyone. In this video lecture, I will be discussing to you writing the research proposal. Our topic is all about writing the research proposal, how to write the research proposal. After understanding what research is and the kinds of research that you can do, the different kinds, as well as the ethical considerations in doing a research, it is now time to prepare your research proposal. Are you ready? So, so what should your research proposal contain? Unsay nasa sulod sa inyong research proposal? Because before doing your final defense, so you will have your proposal defense, no, presenting your research proposal. What should your research proposal contain? Generally, a research proposal contains the background of the study and the methodology. So that's very important. Chapter 1 and Chapter 2, the background of the study, in Chapter 1 and Chapter 3 rather. However, in the research proposal also, it is also included your Chapter 2 or your literature search and review. A good research proposal should clearly and precisely indicate the following questions. First, what do you want to know? It must be carefully emphasized. What do you want to know in doing your research? Why do you want to know it? And how will you be able to know it? So, so dapat matubag ni siya ng mga pangutanan no sa imong research proposal. What do you want to know? Why you want to know it, and how you will be able to know it? What do you know? What do you want to know rather? What do you want to know? Okay, it can be answered through your objective, no, the statement of the problem. The objective answer the question what you want to know. It should be supported by literature review or critical assessment of previous studies related to the topic, and rationally reasons and motivation why the research is being conducted. So the question, what do you want to know, will be answered by the statement of the problem. It will be supported by the literature review or the review of related literature and studies, and even the reason and motivation why the research is being conducted. Why do you want to know it? So, nganong gusto mo to nimo mahibalaan? In addition to the literature review and rationale, it is important to show the significance of the study. So, why do you want to know it will be answered by your literature review and then your significance of the study. Nganong gusto to mo mahibalaan? What is the significance? What is the importance? This means that you should be clear why your research is important. This could be through aspects of theoretical, methodological, empirical, or practical significance. The various ways to present a new idea that your research will have. And next question, how will you be able to know it? So the question is how. So we are talking about methodology or methods. So it can be answered through the research methodology, have a clear design or methodology, present the research design to be used, present the locale and population or sample of interest, and tools to be used, procedures to analyze, or treat the gathered data. So it can answer the question, how will you be able to know it? There shall be identified with the principle of scientific soundness in mind. No, dapat nakafollow na ta ang principle of scientific soundness. Unsa itong principle of scientific soundness? There must be validity of the data, no? Validity of the methods, validity of the instrument, and procedures. Nakafollow dapat ta og step-by-step process or systematic process using scientific method. Okay, what are the parts of the research proposal? The parts of the research proposal are the title. Although in doing your research, ang title mag-change siya, but you have already emphasized no the topic, no the title that you want to conduct. Introduction, the part sa introduction, chapter 1 is entitled Introduction. The part of introduction are the following: background of the study, including literature review and theoretical framework, diba? Conceptual framework, the statement of the problem, so significance of the study, research objective and problem statements, scope and limitations, and operational definition of terms. So, part na siya sa chapter 1. Parts of research proposal, methods, no, sa methodology, research design, respondents and locale, sampling design, research instrument, data gathering procedure, statistical tools, data analysis, and research ethics. Another references, appendices, pertinent letters, actual data gathering tool ni siya, survey, questionnaire, interview guide, rubrics, etc. It must be included in your research proposal. Okay. Now, before moving on doing a research proposal, you have first to identify research topic. Now, research topic, how to select. There are things that one needs to consider when identifying a topic. It is important to note that not everything in the world can be researched, and not all problems in the world can be solved by anyone by doing research. So there are things, no, that one needs to consider when identifying a topic. And take note, it is important to note that not everything in the world can be researched, and not all problems in the world can be solved by anyone by doing research. That's why my role is to check no your proposed topic. Kay dili tanan research topics ma-research, di po tanan problems sa kalibutan ma-solve. So naratay within no within your capacity no as a student unsa kaya ninyo i-research. Some of the things that a student should consider when identifying a research topic is the importance of his research. No? Unsa sa mga butang nga imong i-consider is the importance of your research, your interest, no, his interests, experiences, and what has been discussed in the scientific literature or other theories. So, pwede na nimo may mong basis in identifying your topic. Unsa di ako mga interests, no? Unsa akong ganahan? What are my experiences? And unsa di mga mag-review ka scientific literature, no? Review ka mga theories. So, it can be out from those you can come up your research topic. In coming up your research topic or in selecting your research topic, you have to consider the importance of the research, the interests of the researcher, experiences of the researcher, and scientific literature or other theories. Importance of the research. Nganong kinahanglan i-consider ang importance of the research? According to PHREB, research as defined in the 2017 National Ethics Guidelines, it is an activity that aims to develop or contribute to knowledge that can be generalized, including theories, principles, relationships, or any accumulation of information using scientific methods, observation, inference, and analysis. So it is very important to consider the importance of research. No? Dapat lang tawon if such aims to develop or contribute to knowledge, no? Can add additional knowledge or can add to the body of knowledge. It can be generalized through theories, principles, and relationships. So, if your research can contribute theories, principles, diba, additional knowledge to the body of knowledge, then your research is important. Or any accumulation of information using scientific methods, observation, inference, and analysis. This definition means that they expect researchers to develop knowledge and or application towards the common good of the people. So, importante, matawag nga importante imong research if you can develop knowledge and you can apply such knowledge towards the common good of the people. One important question when thinking about a research topic is, will my research do any good to the society? Makahatag ba siya og kaayuhan sa society? Answering that question will answer also kung importante ba gyud imong research or not. Next, interest of the researcher. So you have also to consider your own interest as a researcher. It is more important, significant to make sure that you are interested in what you are going to do. No, dapat interested ka on what you are going to do. No? Dapat interested ka. And then your interest can be your source, no? Can be a way, can be a basis in identifying your topic. What are my interests? So, di akong mga interests. So, pwede na ko siya i-consider. Experiences of the researcher. So, experiences of the researcher can be also a basis, no, for selecting your topic. Aside from your interest, you may also want to reflect about your interests. You may also want to reflect about your experiences that could be of interest to you or potential readers of your research, no? Sa akong mga experiences, pwedeng muna sa akong basis in selecting the topic. And then, sa experiences sa akong respondents, no? So, pwede tandara. Experiences of the researcher, keep in mind that your topic could be researchable, no? In a way, not all of your experiences can be studied also. So, take note po, di po tanan na experiences nga pwede na ko i-research. Kato na pong researchable. Nonetheless, experiences are a good way to think of things that could be studied since these could spark your curiosity. So, another, kung wala dyan kay experiences, wala ka may interests, wala dyan kay topic, mag-submit na mi og kanang kuan, problem. Mag-submit na mi og topic kay sir, no, for checking. Sa akong buhaton. So, you can also do scientific literature. You can also read, no, scientific literature or other theories. It can be out from reading, advanced reading. You can come up with your topic. As a student, you may have discussed a lot of topics or issues in your different classes. There might have been a subject that struck your attention because it relates to your life. You have experienced it. The theory was somehow able to explain your experience, or it was just really new to you. This particular information could be a basis for your research topic. That would be all. I hope you will be guided in identifying your research topic. God bless and good luck for the next activities. Thank you for listening and thank you for watching.